Hey everybody, good evening. It's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Every Thursday, we do the Talk with Angelo live, and we also produce a ton of great content on our network, Angelo Christian Financial. We've been doing this since 2016, actively producing content to educate people, to empower them, to enrich them, to help them with their lives, and obviously lending in the markets in the United States for the last 22 years, doing all different types of loans, everything from construction loans, institutional loans, multifamily ground-up construction, private loans, no-doc loans, lines of credit, hotels, everything that you can think of, land loans, FHA, VA, USDA, conventional, all different types of funding packages to help people to get their loans funded. Thank you, Mr. Bigglesworth. Thank you for watching the show and the channel. We really appreciate all of your help and support and all of you guys watching. And so, it's an interesting time right now. A lot of stuff has happened this year that I think a lot of people didn't foresee happening. And the thing that I will say is that if you made it through 2008, you can definitely make it through 2022. 2008 was much more rough. I don't think that this is that bad. I think that some of it, had to happen or whatever. I'm not excited about higher interest rates in a slower market, even though unemployment has dropped and things are looking good on some barometers. So, the thing that I will say is that we'll always come up with ideas, solutions, innovative ways to help people to get funding, whatever that may be. So that's what we're going to be talking about. One thing I will say right now I think is very important. Hey, Kevin, thank you so much for watching the show on the channel. One thing I think is very important right now is, if you get approved for a loan, as soon as you get approved, lock in that interest rate to secure that deal so you can get that rate that you want, because rates are moving around like crazy. So as soon as you get approved, you pay for your appraisal. I don't care if you're doing a $100 million loan or a $50,000 loan, try to get that thing locked in as soon as you can, because rates are moving around. But I will say that expect in the around the first quarter of the year for rates to come down. That's the expectation. Now nobody knows for sure. I'm not saying that you bet the farm on it, but there's a lot of smart money that's betting that. So I will say, if you're looking to get into a deal right now to get funding, lock in that rate as soon as possible. Once usually your loan gets approved, or you pay for the appraisal. Very important thing. And I did a podcast on this last week, talking about the comparison of rising interest rates versus decreased home prices. And what was funny is that rates have gone up by 2%. Let's just say even 3%. And home prices have come down, real estate prices, by about 10%. And so when we did the math on a $500,000 loan, the payments were almost similar with a 7% rate with a $500,000 loan and a 5% rate in a $450,000 loan. So in the end, you're just because the rate's higher doesn't mean that you're worse off, because if you bought a great piece of property, that property is going to keep going up in value, and you can always refinance the loan. So don't forget about that. There's probably going to be a big refinance boom in the beginning of the year if rates do drop. And so, and we've been through those booms where people just want to refinance everything they got because they got high rates. So it's not the end of the world. If you find a great property, go for it. Don't sit on your thumb. Try to make a deal and lock it in. If we can help with any type of funding, you can always call or text us at 832-431-6331. That's why we're here. You can look us up on our Instagram, Official Angelo Christian, our website, obviously Official Angelo Christian, and then we have our YouTube and then our Facebook. And so, what you see is what you get, the real deal. I'm here to help. I'm not perfect, but I try very hard to help my clients to get deals funded. That's what I do all day, and my team, to excel and grow. So if we can get you any type of funding for real estate, now we're a real estate secured lender. So if you're looking to do a deal, it doesn't matter if it's in Hawaii or if it's in New York or Alaska, we definitely want to talk to you. We like to help our clients out. We can't fund every customer that reaches out to us, but we try our best to get deals funded for our clients. So if you want to get a second opinion or you want to try us out for the first time, I highly encourage you that you do. We do have no doc, fix, and flip. Absolutely. We do a lot of mainly a lot of our clientele is investors, is mainly what we cater to. Investors, a lot of business owners is what we cater to. So absolutely. So you can always call or text our office at 832-431-6331. We're open 7 days a week for you. I don't know any other lender that's actually open 7 days a week that actually responds. That's not an automated message. So we actually take that very seriously and try to do the best to help and serve our clients, to get them the funding, get them the capital, so they can have a better life. We work with investors all day long to get capital, whether it's ground up construction. Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate you for asking the question. So we have a lot of different programs that have come out that are getting rolled out right now to end 2022, start next year. Like, we can do bank statement construction loans. We can do bank statement lines of credit. We're the only lenders in the country. If you're self-employed, you own a business, you can use your bank statements to qualify you to build that house. You can use your bank statements to qualify you to get that line of credit. Every other bank in the country is going to require tax returns and go off of your net income. We'll do a bank statement loan for you on a line of credit or a construction loan. You want to build, your dream home, $2 million house, $1 million house. We can use your bank statements to qualify you for that. Isn't that awesome? The line of credit, which is the all-in-one, which is one of my favorite loan programs, replacing your mortgage with a line of credit. If you're interested to pay less for your loan and you have access to funds on demand, the all-in-one HELOC is the best loan to get. If you want more information about that, we have a ton of content on our YouTube channel about the all-in-one HELOC, or you can call or text us at 832-431-6331. I'd love to help you out with that all-in-one opportunity. It's my favorite loan program. I'm in love with it. And we're doing it on primary homes, investment properties, second homes, up to $2 million. And it's awesome. You replace your mortgage with a line of credit, you pay less interest, and you have access to capital on demand. I mean, what else could you ask for? Really, it's a no-brainer. So obviously there's requirements, but if you're want to do something better with your money and not just pay a 30-year mortgage, check out the all-in-one HELOC, and you can check it out on our YouTube channel. And obviously call us so we can get you some more information on it. But I'm very excited about that loan program. It's my favorite loan. Obviously, construction loans. We love doing construction loans. That's a big part of what we do. So obviously, if we can help you with any of these products, don't be a stranger. Reach out to us, call us, text us, 832-431-6331. We want to help you to lock in your deal and get you funding for, if you're looking to get a line of credit, you want to build a property, or if you want to buy land. If you want to buy land to build a home, we do land loans. With only 20% down, you can buy your land, and build your house on there. So a lot of stuff that we do. We have a conventional 0 down 100% financing loan program that I'm very passionate about. There's no income requirements. You don't have to be a first-time buyer. That's a great product for conventional. So, and we're pleased to be able to offer that too. We have investor cash flow loans, non-QM loans, bank statement loans. We have all different types of financing packages to help all you guys out there. So, don't be a stranger. Reach out to us, call us, text us, whatever we can do to help you to get the funding. We do our show here every Thursday, 6 p.m. Central. And then we have our regular videos that come out every week. And we've been doing this, like I said, for over 2 decades. We work very hard, endlessly, and we're a nationwide funder. So we lend nationwide. Not all programs are offered nationwide. Most of them are, but some of them aren't. And all of them do have certain requirements. So you just got to reach out to us to see what those requirements are. Like I said, we can't guarantee that everyone's going to get approved, but we do try our best to help people to get them the funding for their project, for their deal, whatever it may be, So, yeah, but those are some of the things that I did want to talk about. If you have a chance, check out our YouTube channel. We got a lot of content on the first lien HELOC. We even have a new show coming out, the first lien HELOC calculator. You can run the numbers to see how much money you can save with the calculator versus a regular mortgage. Bank statement construction loans, that's a hot one. Like I said, if you're looking to build a house, awesome program. We can go up to 2.2 million for a primary residence or a secondary home. You can get up to 2 units on that. That's a great program, smoking hot. So, reach out to us, let us know what we can do to help you. You can always call or text us at the office at 832-431-6331. Really appreciate all of you guys watching the show on the channel. We come back and do this every Thursday at 6 p.m. Central United States Standard Time. So thank you so much for watching the show and the channel. If we can help with any type of funding, please reach out to us. Watch our YouTube. Give us a big thumbs up. Share this with anyone that you know. Subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel. We have like almost 68,000 subscribers. We want to get that to 100,000 by the end of the year. So anyone that is interested to learn about finance, share the channel with them. Have them subscribe. Get that information out there. We got a ton of content. If you search in our search bar on Google, on the YouTube, you can pull up all different types of loan programs that we do. So yeah, really excited. Definitely looking forward to helping you guys this year. I'm hoping that 2023 is going to be a rock star, stellar year. We want to help all of you guys to expand and grow. So thank you all so much for watching the show and the channel with Angelo Christian. We'll be back again next week. Thank you all. Take care.